All right, we are in the 2020 Porsche Panamera GTS. Do a quick cold start here. Black on black on black, active rear spoiler. Bose audio, red stitching, 18-way seats. Also got the red seat belts that kind of tie in with the calipers and the red stitching inside. It's a little dusty from sitting outside, but this one cleaned up really, really well. Dual panel sunroofs, Alcantara headliner, as well as the seat inserts there. 4-liter twin turbo V8. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call, 614-793-1050.